Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Inalsa Gusto Pro vacuum cleaner. You can see what this vacuum cleaner looks like. It's right over here. It's a very compact vacuum cleaner. It comes with a 1200 watt suction motor and 1 year warranty. It also has blower capabilities as well. A lot of information on this side as well. It's easy to carry. It comes with a handle as well. It also comes with cord storage. It comes with a 4-meter long cord. Inbuilt blower function, dust bag full indicator, easy to move and onboard storage. Also 1.5 liter washable dust bag. The dust bag basically has a capacity of 1.5 liters. Now I'll open this box and show you the vacuum cleaner. So there you go. These are the components of the box. We have first a warranty card, the 6 months extension warranty card, and this is the user manual for the Inalsa vacuum cleaner. This is for Gusto Pro, Quick Vac and Hygieia. This instruction manual / warranty card. It has listed all the different components, and not just that, there are technical specifications, important instruction, do's and don'ts, etc. Everything you want to know, it's right over here. First up, we have these two extension rods. This is for when you want to extend and reach places that you can't normally reach. I'm going to keep them over here. We also have this flexible nozzle. This is the primary nozzle for this particular vacuum cleaner, and this is what every attachment that you add will be added at the end of this particular nozzle. That includes the smaller ones or the longer extension tubes, doesn't matter. This is the most important nozzle that you will use. We have some other extensions as well. This is the floor brush. This is for cleaning the floor or for carpets and stuff. This particular brush is used for cleaning upholstery. This is a 2-in-1 crevice nozzle. So this is used for cleaning all the sides and crevices, even between your keyboard keys and etc. All of that as well. And we also have a blower plate. Okay, this is only available with this particular model, the Gusto Pro model. This is a blower plate for when you want to basically use this particular machine as a blower. Now let's take a look at the vacuum cleaner in question. So this is the vacuum cleaner. This is the Gusto Pro. It comes with a 4.5 meter long cable. Let me just show you the cable quickly. Okay, this is the 4.5 meter long cable. It's also flat. It's a flat TPE cable, so this will not break easily. It does not have a cable recall function. However, it does have this swivel wheel over here, which means you can turn it around in any direction. This is the power on off button. The bag is in here. To open this section, you have to lift this switch and pull. And there you go. This is what the bag looks like. All the dust gets collected in this particular bag. This is a 1.5 liter bag. Also notice the two very large wheels. This is good for moving it around. This is a very compact vacuum cleaner. It's not the largest. I mean, there are much larger ones in the market right now even. I'm going to give you a demonstration of how this works. So you take the flexible nozzle and you put this part in over here like so. It's as simple as that. Now I will connect it to a power source. There you go. And I will now, switch it on. Let's see if this works. It works right now. Let me quickly see if this works on an object. If the vacuum option works. And there you go. It works absolutely fine. Let me just take it out. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Inalsa Gusto Pro vacuum cleaner. Thank you for watching.